Hello friends, let's grab a yummy ice cone. Yum yum. Take a piece of paper, fold it into two triangle halves. You have to take 15 centimeters square measurement. Open it. Now follow the creases. Press well. Now from the other side, the same procedure. Wow, that was easy. Turn the tip. Be careful. Again from the other side. Turn back. Turn the edges to have a clear structure. Well done. Follow the mark and fold the paper. Nice. Again from the other side. It's pretty easy, right? Hope you're learning it. We have done half of it, okay? Bend the upper corner. Press well. Now move it upward. Again down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends, family members and relatives. Again, turn upward. And wow, our cone is ready. Let's add some cute expressions to our cone so that it may give summer vibes. Brilliant. Oh, we need cheeks. Done. Finally. Now we have 3 cones. 1 for yourself and 2 for your friends.